All right, so you did good. We're in here under, you got your status settings, and what we want to do is get to the adapters, okay? So we'll go to the change adapters over here and click on that, and then what I'm looking for is the Ethernet, and I think it's just Ethernet 3 because this one's not working, and you are plugged in, correct?
Yeah, I'm plugged in, and I have the drum going.
Awesome. Okay, so then we go to properties. All right, and from here we want to go down to this IPv4 settings, and we're going to set up the following. It's 169.168.1.66, and then standard mask, and default gateway doesn't change. Okay, and from there we should just hit OK, and that should be good to go. So we'll close that, and now this is configured and ready to go. So then I'm going to come into, okay, now that I've got the Chrome up, I'm going to set up my own discrete port in here. So this one is going to be 192.168.1.88, and I should get a password. And so I'm going to type in, it's going to be root because this is Unix, and then so that's 888888. Okay. All right, and I'll put in save for this right now, just in case you come back to our stuff. And so now we're in the inside of your machine. We don't have to do anything else there. The next thing I'm going to do is come onto your file server. Whoops, that's mine. Shoot. Next, I'm going to come onto your file server, okay? And so I'm going to get up into here, and I'm going to go file backslash, and then I'm going to type in that same 192.168.1.88, and same thing, root, and then 888888. We'll remember the credentials, come in, and here's your files, man. Woo! You were busy. There you go. So now you can pull those over, okay? And then in the future, what I'm going to do, and you can delete this later if you want to, but if you get into fix, where's that at? There. Now you got the V drive. So all you have to do is click on the V drive if it's plugged in, and it should just take you right there.